Hey. Oh. What's mommy doing? Oh, yummy. Mmm. Does it taste good? Does that feel good on your teeth? Especially when you go to sleep, you don't want to have your teeth bothering you. Huh? Hannah. Hannah, banana. Look at her. She thinks there may be food coming out of there. She's looking at that so intently.
You see all
All gone. All gone.